In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find deleted notes in Apple Notes. To start, open the Notes app on your iPhone or iPad. Look for the yellow notepad icon on your home screen. It's a familiar sight for many users. Tapping on this icon will take you directly into the app where you can manage all your notes. Once the app opens, you will see the main interface displaying your notes. This is where you keep all your thoughts, reminders, and lists. Opening the app is crucial as it sets the stage for the recovery process. You'll feel a sense of relief knowing you are just a few steps away from potentially retrieving your lost notes. Next, tap on Folders until you see the folders list. This is usually located in the upper left corner of the screen. By tapping on Folders, you will navigate away from your notes and into a broader view of your organizational system. It's an essential step because in order to find the recently deleted folder, you must be in the folder view. The folders are where all your notes are categorized. This helps you keep your thoughts organized. Once you see the folders list, you are on the right track to finding your deleted notes. Now tap Recently Deleted. This folder acts like a safety net for your notes. It is where all your deleted notes go temporarily. You will find this folder among your other folders, and it is specifically designated for recovering items you may have accidentally removed. It's important to note that notes can only remain in this folder for up to 30 days. After that time, they are permanently removed from your device. Tapping on Recently Deleted is a pivotal moment as it allows you to see all the notes you have deleted recently and gives you options for recovery. After that, browse your deleted notes. This is a straightforward action but holds significant importance. Take your time to look through the notes you see listed. Each note will show a snippet of its content, which can help you identify what you want to recover. The interface may include a date stamp that indicates when the note was deleted. This can be beneficial if you remember the note's content or context. Browsing through these notes gives you the opportunity to reclaim important information that you thought was lost. To restore a note, swipe left on it, tap Move, then choose a folder. This is a simple yet effective way to bring your deleted notes back into your active folders. Swiping left reveals options for managing that specific note. By selecting Move, you can decide where to restore the note. It could be your general notes folder or a specific one related to the topic. Choosing the right folder is key for organization. After you make your selection, your note will return to the folder you chose, making it easily accessible again. Deleted notes remain in Recently Deleted for up to 30 days before being permanently removed. It's crucial to act within this time frame, as missing this window means your notes could be lost forever. Always remember to check this folder regularly if you find yourself deleting notes often. This simple habit can save you a lot of time and stress later on. If you don't see the recently deleted folder, there are no recently deleted notes available to recover. This is important to note as it means you may not have any notes that can be restored at this time. Being aware of this situation helps manage your expectations. If you've confirmed that there are truly no notes available, take comfort in knowing that you have taken the necessary steps to check, and that concludes our guide on how to find deleted notes in Apple Notes. Following these steps carefully will empower you to manage your notes effectively and recover any lost information.